There are many studies that show that children learn best when they feel safe and supported. There are many ways to do this, and it should be done in a manner that suits the teacher's personality. Consider the following points. Think of ways to create a safe, happy, and respectful environment for your learners and yourself. Model appropriate behavior for learners. Show learners how to be respectful and kind by the way that you treat them. Let them know that you care for them as individuals and that they can come to you with their problems. Get to know your learners. Build your relationships in appropriate, meaningful ways. Watch as teachers Dr. Sukazi and Trifina Ngomani demonstrate some relationship building strategies with their learners.
Alright guys, today I want to get to know you better, alright? So I am going to tell you something about myself, alright? You are also going to tell me something about yourself, alright? Okay, your teacher has always wanted to be a teacher, alright? That is why he is a teacher today. I've always wanted to be a teacher. I've loved teaching from a very young age, alright? That is me, alright? Yes, I also wanted to be a soldier at first, but I couldn't go to the army. That's why I'm a teacher. All right, now I want you to tell me something about yourself. You go, Slindo.
I love my grandmother.
Okay.
I like to dance. I like to be a doctor.
Oh.
I like to read a book. When I grow up, I want to be a pilot. I love math.
Creating a positive classroom atmosphere takes time and commitment. But if you are willing to work at this, your job satisfaction will improve dramatically and your learners will benefit in many ways.